Hello and welcome to my kitchen. This is Itidal from Indulge with Iti, and today I'm sharing my 3-ingredient garlic and ginger paste. If you have some ginger and garlic lying around in your kitchen and you're looking for a way to preserve its freshness for a prolonged period, then you should try this recipe out. So first of all, I have peeled both my garlic and ginger and added it to my fufu pounder. Next, I've added about a cup of oil. I've been getting a lot of use out of this machine for the past 6 months. I love that it's easy to clean and very multi-purpose. After all my ingredients had made it safely into my fufu pounder, I blitzed away until I was satisfied with the smoothness of my garlic and ginger paste. Have a look, guys, it's quite smooth, and the best part is there are no additional additives or preservatives. Store your paste in an airtight container and keep it refrigerated for prolonged freshness. Don't forget to use a clean and dry spoon when dishing out to prevent mold and any other nasty. Follow for more recipes.